Good morning, friends. Lead House, day 10. Everybody is excited for today's challenge. Even I am excited. Today's challenge is we have to prove that we are a creative designer. As a leader, we have to think creatively. Our imagination has to be high, and then we have to convey our message to the world through imaginative designs, flyers, and posters. Imagination, or you can say any idea or any thought, first generates in the human mind. First, a mind thinks, and then afterwards brings it on the paper and then into existence. So ideas play a very important role in our lives. I'm happy that yesterday you all have generated the ideas, you all have selected the issues, and all three groups are ready now to move ahead with their mission. And I'm happy with this aspect also, that you have selected very appropriate and burning issues. Like not all the children are happy, that's true, although happiness is the birthright of the children. And not all the children receive this love and care as we can see here. Some of them are just pathetic children, while others of them are the children who lost their childhood. They are bullied, they are tortured, and even our youth. Every youth is not happy. All the youth are not successful. Some of them are struggling. They are suffering. They are suffering from their self-image. They are suffering from identity crisis. They are under stress, frustration, and a global issue that is the great concern for each and every residence of this universe. That is how to conserve energy. Are we going to leave something for our next generation, or we are going to finish it off? We have to think today. And I am happy that our one of the group has taken energy conservation as their theme. And now we have to work upon this. We have to wear our thinking cap, and then we have to start designing. We have to start writing the content, and we have to keep in mind the emotional aspect of this. How our posters or how our write-ups or flyers or how our thoughts are going to appeal the common people. That is very important. And we have to follow the creative process. First, little research is required. Then what ideas and vision we have, what has inspired us to take that idea. Then we all have to do the brainstorming and then sit together in a group and then design. Design as many posters and flyers as possible, because more you create, more you learn, more you create, more you generate awareness among the people, and more you are closer to your mission. This is the fact. I wish you all the best. So we are going to work for the people, for the globe, for the universe. So my dear friends, get inspired to be innovative, to achieve your vision with lots of motivation, and to fulfill your idea with imagination. So come on, everyone. If you need any assistance in this, we are here to help you out. A beautiful thought for all of you, that if we are busy in judging the people, we will hardly find time to love them. So love people, and that starts with yourself. First, love yourself. And loving yourself means we have to be the best version of ourselves. And to be the best version of ourselves, we have to bring out our potential, our abilities, and our talent. And one of the talent is that we all are creative, and how we are going to bring out our creativity. That is only possible when we learn new things, new ideas, and Canva classes will be conducted for you so that you can be more creative and you can prepare beautiful designs for your people. Thank you very much, everyone. Take special care of yourself and see you at 10 a.m. if you are interested in attending the Canva classes. If you already know how to make beautiful design and flowers, then well enough, go ahead. Why to wait? Thank you.